your seat pockets at any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bin that will be provided near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ang lahat ng panauhin. Flight vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. Para po sa mga panauhin, binigyan ng infant's life vest, mangyari po lamang maiwanan ng infant's life vest sa loob ng seat pocket. Maraming salamat po.